So as ridiculous as this trend is, we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna be using wig glue to put the yarn on my face. Ah. And I'm basically just gonna want to try and make a circle here. Just keep going. My nose is gonna look so big. Make sure that you blew your nose before this because you're not gonna be able to breathe at your nose. So the nose is done. It looks so big. Oh, this is crazy what I got myself into. So we're gonna start doing our forehead next, but this is crazy. So basically what we're gonna start by doing, directly over here, all the way. We're gonna bring it back over. Oh my goodness, this is a lot more tedious than I thought it would be. And it's hard to get the lines right. I hard to get them like super tight. Thank God the forehead is done. Thank God. Now I still have these cheeks to do. Oh. Definitely starting to make some progress. Almost. Almost done. So we're about halfway done. Halfway. We're halfway. I can't complain. My son loves it. He thought it was so funny. So let's get more glue on our face and keep going. Gonna finish up this cheek. Now it's time for a chinny chin chin. So this is actually like kind of hard to do, even though it still looks like kind of like crap, but it's actually hard to do. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna put on some makeup and try and make this work. So first things first, I feel like we have to do the cheeks first, so I'm just dotting it on because I kind of just want it in one spot, just like that. Like that. Perfect. We're gonna put some right here. We're definitely gonna do some blue eyeshadow and kind of make it big here. I'm feeling maybe some Tim Burton eyebrows-ish. Some lipstick, I guess. I don't know. This is so bad. It's crazy. It's like so bad. It's so bad. This is so bad. Ah! Well, I feel like the yarn makeup went so bad I had to like turn it into something, so I did Joker lip. So this is the final outcome. This was terrible. I am never doing this again. I mean, at least it's kind of funny, but this is crazy. This is crazy. So definitely don't recommend this, but it was fun. It was fun, sure.